Select all cells by clicking in the top left corner or by selecting Control A. Unmerge cells and then unwrap text. Then unfill the cells and select No Borders. You will notice some rows missing. To reveal them, double-click on the line between any two rows. Delete rows 1 through 4. Select all cells again, and then right-click on any column letter to adjust the column width to 8. Select all again, and double-click on the line between any two columns. Condense the report by deleting empty or unneeded columns. Select all and sort. Check off My List Has Headers. Sort by employee, then job start. When prompted, sort numbers and numbers stored as text separately. Now your report is manageable.